So today I'll be showing you how you can get a Canva Pro for free. You are not going to pay anything. I'll be showing you. So today we'll be doing everything that have to do with graphics. Canva. Canva is one of the best online graphic design platform. So they offer you so many things. It is very easy, even whether you are novice in graphic design or you are a master in graphic design. Canva gets your back covered, so you can still use that grid to design all your graphic design work. Most especially the one that have to do with your blogging. You understand? They have already made templates for you. So let's start. So I will first of all show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. So first, let me switch over to my browser. So for you to do that, you first of all go to temp mail, search temp mail. We want to use this particular temp mail. Let's just search for this on Google. There is a website that can offer us a temporary Gmail account that we can actually use to open our Canva. So it's opening. It's coming on. So let me also open Canva. Let me open Canva here. Let me search for canva.com. Canva.com. Let me open Canva. So tempmail.org. What I'm looking for. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Tempmail.org. Tempmail.org. So that's the website. Just search for tempmail.org. So you accept their cookies. You accept their cookies. So they are opening the site. The network this afternoon is very, very poor, very bad. So, but we are going to do something today. So, what you need to do is just to click on when you open a camera, just click on sign up, or sign up for a free anywhere. You can click on sign up or sign up for free. Then it will open to use. There are so many ways through which you can sign up on Canva. So the first one is with your Gmail account, then with your Facebook. But what we are using is with email. We want to sign up with email. So let's go back to our temp mail. What's happening? It's coming up. Let's just okay. So as you can see, it's already open, and they have given us a mail. This is our email address. This is our email address. So what you need to do is just to copy this particular email address. Just copy this email address. Then come back here. Click on continue with email. So you provide that particular email, Ctrl V, then you click on continue. Okay, it's automatically okay. Click on continue. So it tells us to verify this. The traffic is this. So let's click on verify. So then the name, you can put any name of your choice. So password, let me also put. So then you click on create account. The process is very simple. They are going to send you a code on that particular email. They have already sent the code. Let me go and check. So what I need to do is just to refresh this. Let me refresh and see whether they have sent me the code. Let me check. Okay, it's coming now. Okay, still loading. Still loading. Let's wait. Let's wait. Inbox is empty. They have sent a code. Okay, let me. Okay, you can see this is the code. 636038. 636038. We have 636038. Okay, so let's verify. It's coming up. It's coming up. We are signing up on Canva. So you will see where the magic is being done, how you can actually get a Canva Pro for free. Everything for free. For lifetime. It's a lifetime access. So it's loading. So what actually happen is that you are going to be joining a team. For you to get this, you are going to be joining a team, and those particular people, they have already subscribed to Canva Pro. As you can see, join your colleague on this team, so you can join any of this team. So when you join any of this team, before joining the team, make sure that, because you can join some of this team, some of them now, maybe their Canva Pro is not paid. Their Canva Pro is not paid. So you check this one, they say you can join here. Then this one is a request, you must request to join. No, don't request any. This one, they have one member and it's request. This is request. All these things, these ones are requests. So let's assume that here now that I'm not able to, maybe this first one is only join. I can also do this thing again. What I need to do is just to come back and find another email. I can refresh this thing, they will give me another email. I will still go back to Canvas, still repeat this thing, and you see that the team that they will show you will be different. If I should repeat this process again, I will not see this particular team. So but let me join this and know whether their own Canva is paid, because sometimes we join one team or the other, their Canva will not be paid. They are just using a free Canva, free normal Canva, and some of their tools now, you will not have access to them. So once any team that you join and their Canva is not paid, or their this thing is not paid, then what you need to do is just to still try find another Canva, find another email and still repeat the process. So you can welcome to your Canva for team. So design together with, so you can just go through all this thing, never misplace your content. So website. So thank you. This is how you can design or use Canva Pro for any graphic design work for your blog. So thanks for watching this video.